Hi guys, so I just wanted to take this opportunity to ask you to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my recent uploads. Hi guys, Osa here and welcome back to my channel. Did you miss me?
Did you miss me?
Hi guys, Osa here and welcome back to my channel. So it's my birthday today. I feel so good. I feel just amazing. I turned 39 today, and the closer I get to 40, I just feel like I'm just coming full circle, just like really fully understanding myself, where I am in my life, and I'm just so grateful for every single experience that I have had, that I am currently going through. My family has been so supportive, my friends have been so supportive through this entire process, and like, let me tell you, I've been to hell and back, and I'm still standing, and I'm so grateful. Like, I'm literally doing everything by myself. And again, this is no complaint at all. I'm strong enough to do it. Should I have to do it? That's a whole different discussion, That's a whole nother discussion for a later time. I am going to get back to the dating with Osa videos. And you know, like I said to you guys before, I'm no guru. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I suck at love. Well, thus far I've sucked at love, and I'm okay. Like, I'm okay with that. I'm staying true to myself. I'm staying true to what I actually believe in, and your girl is here. She's still standing. So that's that. I just wanted to come on and just say it's my birthday today. I feel really good. I feel like I'm getting back to myself. I feel so much more creative. As you can see, I took out my braids. I will be doing some natural hair videos, and that's what I'm going to be posting next. But I didn't want to let this day go by without just giving myself a shout out, and just giving my friends, my family, and everyone who's been on this entire crazy journey with me a shout out. I love you guys. I love you guys for supporting my channel, for watching, for just being there for me. You know, like I said, that's going to be a whole nother discussion, and I am ready to share. So I will, like I said before, be making some dating with Osa videos, and I hope you guys will tune in. All right. Love you very much, and I'll talk to all of you soon. Mwah. Okay guys, I have to run, and as always, if you like today's show, hit that like button, and since you keep coming back, subscribe to the channel. Bye now.